Are you looking for the top 5 best heat press for DTF under $300? Hey everyone, I've spent countless hours diving deep into the world of heat presses, specifically for DTF projects, and I've got the lowdown on the top 5 machines under $300. I bought and tested each one so you don't have to waste your hard-earned cash. Let's jump into it.
Product number 1, 3-pack PTFE Teflon sheets. Let me tell you about the YRYM HT 3-pack PTFE Teflon sheets. When I first came across these, I thought, how can something so simple be so essential? But I quickly learned that these reusable, heat-resistant sheets are a crafter's best friend. Picture this. I was trying to transfer a complex DTF design onto a t-shirt. I was worried about my press sticking to the material, but that's where these sheets came in. I placed one over my design and voila, the transfer went smoothly without any mess. The sheets can withstand up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, which is impressive. I've used them for everything from t-shirts to mugs, and they hold up remarkably well. Now, on to the pros and cons. On the plus side, these sheets are incredibly versatile. They can serve as non-stick liners, protectors for your iron, and even baking sheets. They're waterproof and washable, which means cleanup is a breeze. However, I did notice that they can get a bit wrinkled over time, which could affect their non-stick properties. So why should you buy these PTFE sheets? If you're serious about DTF projects, these sheets are a wise investment. They protect your materials, are reusable, and extend the life of your heat press. Plus, at just under $8 for a pack of 3, they're a steal. Trust me, you'll wonder how you ever worked without them.
Product number 2, Cology Mini Heat Press. Next up is the Cology Mini Heat Press. I was initially skeptical about a mini heat press. Would it be powerful enough? But after giving it a shot, I was thoroughly impressed. This little machine packs a punch. It's compact, lightweight, and perfect for anyone working on smaller projects or even for those who travel a lot. I love how it fits comfortably in my hand, and the ergonomic design makes it easy to maneuver. The temperature control is straightforward, just one button for the entire operation. Pros? Let's talk about the versatility. I used it for t-shirts, caps, and even some pillowcases, and it handled everything like a champ. It heats up quickly, reaching 356 degrees Fahrenheit in just a few minutes, which is a game changer when you're in a hurry. However, one downside is that the heating plate is small, so you might need to do multiple presses for larger designs. Why should you consider this mini heat press? If you're a hobbyist or someone who wants to take their DTF game on the road, this tool is a fantastic choice. It's budget-friendly at around $24, and it delivers quality results. Plus, the safety features like the auto shutoff after 15 minutes give you peace of mind. Product number 3, HTVRNT Auto Heat Press Machine. Now, let's dive into the HTVRNT Auto Heat Press Machine. This machine was an absolute revelation for me. I remember the first time I used it, it felt like I had leveled up my crafting game. The auto release feature is just brilliant. After placing your project on the machine, you simply push the ironing board in, hit the button, and let it do its thing. It even adjusts to the thickness of your material, which means no more guesswork. What really stood out to me was its fast heating capability. It can reach 320 degrees Fahrenheit in just 4 minutes, which is incredibly efficient. I also loved the safety features. If you forget to turn it off, it will automatically shut down after 15 minutes. On the flip side, it's a bit on the heavier side at 40.3 pounds, so it's not the most portable option out there. So, why buy the HTVRNT Auto Heat Press? If you're serious about DTF and want a reliable machine that can handle a variety of materials, from t-shirts to wood, you won't regret this purchase. Priced at $236, it's a great investment for anyone looking to step up their heat press game. Product number 4, Heat Tape. Next on the list is the P-Sug Heat Tape. And let me tell you, this product is a game changer in the world of DTF printing. At first glance, it just looks like tape. But once you start using it, you realize it's so much more. I remember the first time I used this tape during a sublimation project. I needed something to hold my designs in place, and this tape did the trick flawlessly. It's heat resistant up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit, which is perfect for high temperature applications. The adhesion is fantastic, and the best part is that it leaves no residue. I've used it for multiple projects, and I love that I don't have to worry about cleaning up sticky messes afterward. However, one minor drawback is that it can be a bit tricky to remove if you're not careful, but with a gentle pull, it usually comes off without any issues. So, why should you buy this heat tape? If you're into DTF printing, it's essential. At around $6 for 4 rolls, it's incredibly affordable and versatile. You can use it for various applications beyond crafting, such as electrical insulation and PCB soldering. Trust me, once you try it, you won't want to go back to using anything else. Product number 5, XL T-shirt ruler guide. Last but not least, let's talk about the Erboni XL T-shirt ruler guide. I can't stress enough how much this tool has improved my crafting experience. If you've ever struggled with aligning your designs, this guide is your new best friend. I remember one time I was preparing for a custom order, and I was so worried about getting everything perfectly aligned. That's when I decided to try this ruler. The triple reference technique really helps me get my vinyl and DTF designs aligned perfectly every time. This ruler is made of thick acrylic, so it's durable and doesn't warp under heat. The visibility on both light and dark fabrics is excellent, thanks to its patent-pending design. However, I did find that it's a bit larger than I expected, which can make storage a challenge, but it's a small price to pay for such a useful tool. Why should you get the Erboni T-shirt ruler guide? If you're serious about your t-shirt business, this tool is invaluable. Priced at around $22, it's a worthy investment that will save you time and stress. Plus, it comes with bonus ebooks that offer placement tips, which is a fantastic added value. There you have it, my top 5 heat presses for DTF under $300. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these products will help elevate your crafting game. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the best prices. Happy crafting!